Hey, Mani,
What?
who's that?
It's Mom. It's scam.
She's trying to scare him with her face like that? Okay, let's look at this picture. Who's that?
It's Mom. It's scam. It's Mom.
It is Mom. Who's that?
Mom.
Are you sure? Is that Mom?
It's Mom.
Aw, do you miss Mom?
Miss Mom.
You miss Mom? Give her kisses.
Why is that your mom?
What'd you say?
I said that's your mom.
You loves your mom?
Yes.
Tell her. Say, you can tell her.
I that's your mom.
Aw. Now look over here in the camera and tell Tariq and Marcel. Say, I love you, Tariq and Marcel. Say, I love you, Tariq.
Mama.
Yeah?
No, Mama.
Are you getting confused? Say, I love you, Tariq.
Mama.
Yes?
Mama. Mama.
You want to see Tariq and Marcel?
Yes.
Okay. Look here. Then Mama go to this album.
Mama.
Yeah, that's Mama.
It's Mama. Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Mama. It's Mama. It's Mama.
Who's this?
Sweet. Babies.
Yeah, that's you when you were a baby. Who's that holding you?
Babies.
And that's Dada.
That's a babies.
Yeah, that's a baby's.
Ew.
Ew, you don't like the babies? Look, that's you when you were just a baby. You and Dada. Who's that? Who's that?
It's Dada.
And who's that?
It's Dada.
And who's that? That's Dada, and who's that?
Shoot.
Tariq?
Sweet.
Who's that?
Sweet.
Clearly he thinks Sariq is saying Tariq. It's you and Dada. Oh, you eating pizza. You and Auntie Shauna. Who's that? Who's that?
Sweet.
That's your brother's Tariq. Auntie Nikita. Tariq and all his friends. Dang it. Where's pictures? Oh, Daddy and his girlfriend.
Mama.
Look, who's that? Who's that? Mani, look. Who's that?
Mom.
Yeah, and who's that?
Sweet.
And who's that?
It's Nana.
Yeah, that's Nana. Good boy, you do remember them. Who's that? Who's that?
Nana.
Who's that?
Sweet.
Who's that?
Mom.
Mom.
It's Nana.
Who's that?
It's Mama.
Mama. Who's that?
It's Mom.
That's Mom, and who's that?
It's Mama.
Mama and Mom. Oh, who's that?
It's Mom.
Yeah, that's Mom. And who's this? Dada?
It's Dada.
And who's that?
Sweet.
Tariq. Good boy. That's Tariq. And look, who's that?
And sweet.
Yeah, that's Tariq, but who's beside him?
And shut. I speak Nana.
Who's that?
Ma,
Is that your brother?
was.
Who's that?
What's that?
That's Papa. That's your grandpa. Who's that? That's Marcel.
Yes.
Yes, that's your brother. That's you and your cousin. Dad not looking happy to hold you. Here, let's go look at pictures of Marcel.
I'm super sweet. Oh. Sweet. Oh, I see sweet, my mama.
Yep.
Miss Sweet. Miss Mama. Amazing Mama. I see dog. Nice dog. Nice dog.
Who's all that? That's you with your brothers. Who's that?
It's sweet.
Yeah, that's Tariq, but who's that? Marcel?
It's a dog. Mama.
Yeah, that's his shorts. Who's that? Marcel? Who's that? Didi. Who's that?
It's Didi's.
That's Didi. Tariq trying to calm you down. Who's that?
It's Didi's.
Who's that? Is Tariq playing with you when you was a baby?
It's a big Didi's.
That's you when you was a babies. And now you're a big boy.
It's the Didi's and Ma.
Yeah. And look, there Marcel, you and Tariq.
Sweet.
Tariq and you.
What's that?
That's you. You're a baby.
What's that?
Marcel.
Sweet.
Didi. And you and Marcel. Look, they just love their brother. You was a fat baby. Who's that holding you? Who's that?
It's Mom.
It's Mom. Deshaun and Charlie. Auntie Riri. Yeah.
Didi's.
You miss your family.